How to order fabric on Spoonflower. Many get a little bit anxious about ordering fabric on Spoonflower, so I thought I'd go through how simple it actually is. We're going to start from my website, and where I have a selection of fabric that I have designed with boys and men in mind. You find those collections by clicking Fabric on the top navigation menu. As you scroll down, you will find the fabric collections sorted by colour type. A colour type, in case you're not familiar with the term, is a collection of colours that suit you. I designed to 11 colour types, all of which are found in my fabric formula workshop, and you can do that at any time. There's an online version of it for you. But to simplify the fabric collections, I've grouped them by 3 different colour types instead of choosing all 11. And the 3 are warm, cool and neutral, which are all based upon your undertone, which is one of the key elements that define your colour type. When you find a collection you would like to explore further, click on the View or Buy Collection button. This takes you to the Spoonflower website, where that collection is housed. It will take you directly to the collection. Spoonflower is a print-on-demand fabric and wallpaper website that ships what you need, when you need, and ships it directly to your door. You can choose your fabric size by the yard or metre. There is also a fat quarter option and a swatch option, which is a 20 centimetre by 20 centimetre small piece of fabric. I've tested my designs on various fabric types, of which they currently have over 25 different types of fabric, including wovens and stretches, and you can find 100% cottons, silks, denims, satins, minkies and gauze or muslin. I'm going to choose the cotton seersucker to demonstrate how easy it is to make a purchase. And I'm going to buy it by the metre and add that to my cart. I then add the delivery details, so where I want the fabric to be sent. Now this can either be to myself or I can send it to someone else that I might want to gift this fabric to. If it's going to someone else, click the box "This is a gift," and this will remove any of the costs from the packing slip that they will receive with their fabric. You can also add a note with your fabric. You can also choose to have the billing details go to you instead of the receiver. It is here you also nominate the email the tracking details are to be sent to. I like to have them emailed to myself so I can keep track of them and see when they have been delivered, particularly if I'm sending it to someone else. When the delivery details have been entered, it can calculate the shipping and relevant taxes, and these are added to your order. You can also alter the delivery speed. I frequently use the guaranteed option. This way, I know what date it will arrive, rather than what date it will be sent. So far, I haven't had a delivery that has not turned up on the date that it has advised at the time I make the order. If you choose standard shipping, which is the cheapest option, this will generally ship by the date that it advises. But it can be 20 to 25 days before it reaches you, obviously depending on where you live in the world. And this is particularly so if you are outside the US. So take this into consideration if you have a project in mind. Also note that the shipping charges, the fabric costs, and the taxes are all quoted in US dollars. When you are ready, select the payment option. There's a few to choose from. Spoonflower will then provide you with a review of your order and email those details to you as well. They will email you when it is shipped with your tracking ID so you can keep track of how far your fabric is away. I hope that has made ordering fabric on Spoonflower feel a little easier.